Okay, so this part is a scripting part. Okay, from here you can see it's like how to assign a variable, how to assign this kind of stuff like arrays. Okay, preference variables, automatic variables. Okay, so this is like a array type. Already we seen that kind of stuff, right? A list tuple kind of stuff. So also we can assign that kind of stuff here. Also we can do it. Okay, and second one is operators, arithmetic operator, assignment operators, comparison, logical, redirection, split join kind of stuff. I will go with a very one or two operator. Just I will show you. So one or two examples from here also. Okay. Yeah, so it's first of all, it's variable. So I'm started recording, right? So then we'll see. So remember the variables. You have to assign variable before that one. So you have to put a dollar here. Okay, dollar is there. After dollar symbol, give the variable name. So your variables can be a cap letters and a small letters. Okay, and underscores can be there. Not a hyphen or a spaces. Okay, so that is you can't do it. So we'll check it. Edit PowerShell. Open it. So here it is. I'm going to change my location. So as I said earlier, like this. This is my current. Things what I do. I'm CD. So don't worry. So I change my location. So here, if I do something mistake, also little less problem. Okay. So okay, little small problem will be there. Okay. So here it is. I want to assign a variable, right? So $A equal to 100. So what is the value of $A is 100. $A is equal to 20. So $A is 120. Okay. So $A is also a 20. So cap letters, small letters, it never minds here. It's okay. So capital B is equal to 123. $B is 123. $MyName equal to Latif. So $MyName. So cap letters, small letters. Here it is, no problem. Okay. So compulsory. Make sure that once you are given in a one type of pattern, so be there like that. So understand yourself. In Linux, in a Python, in Java, so usually case sensitive kind of stuff. But here it is not a case sensitive. Okay, next. So $A value is 20 here. Dot get type. So what is the type of this thing? So base value, system value type. Okay, so int 32 type. Okay, so dollar my name kind of stuff dot get. Okay, it is a string. It is a string. It is a integer. So $C equal to 10.4. So $C is 10.4. Is showing as a double. Okay, showing as a double. Okay, so it can understand what type of value it is. Okay, so either it is integer, or it is a integer, or a string, or it is a double. Okay, or float kind of stuff. So this is a very easy way to say assigning variables and to know the type of variables. Assign a variable. You can use a letter, okay, or you can use a word. You can use underscores and numbers. And it's not a case sensitive, then it is a easy and as well as a big problem also, because so we can't differentiate different things like this. For easy to type, so you don't mind about cap letter, small letter kind of stuff, but problem is when you are writing a big script, so compulsory you must know what variable you are already used. Either it is in cap letter manner or a small letter manner. Okay, so not only this, there is other things like we see the conditions also. Okay, so I put a some name like a str1 equal to GTS class. That is accepting str underscore 2 B17 class. So if you look at here, the red color appears and done. So it is now red color is appear at here. Meaning is something you have done either wrong or not completed properly. I am putting a double quote. See, it is starting single quote and it is a double quote. It is an error, so red color. Single quote, no red color. Okay. So like you can see $str1 underscore 2. So both are acceptable. $3 str it is also acceptable. Okay, so like this you can try CL1, so whatever it is, yeah, BaseType 17. It is also acceptable underscore. Okay, so these are all examples. To try. So you can end with a numerical value. You can start with a numerical value. In Python, you can't start with a numerical value. So people who knows the .NET scripting, so they can easily understand PowerShell scripting also. Okay, PowerShell scripting also, because it's like, you know, sometimes dollar, dot, underscore, this kind of stuff is also there. So if still we don't understand the direct things. Okay. So dollar yes equal to read host. I forget this read host part. Read host. So it is showing enter a value. Enter a value. So I put a 124. So what is a dollar $s value is 124. It's like a input. Read host. Take it from the value like this. Okay. Normally we are giving input from the system, right? So that is like this. I'm giving input. Okay. So don't give also it will work. Okay. So I put a 125 now. Okay. Read host. What is this write host? Like a echo command. It's like a echo command. Like read host. Input. Okay, so this is the some basics. You can see still my hyphen class. It is automatically red in color, even though you given a some values. It is error. So where it is highlighted under class only. So why it is hyphens are not allowed. You should give either underscore wise. It is underscore is acceptable, not hyphens. Space is also not acceptable because space are not acceptable. You have to either you give an underscore or don't give any space. Okay, not acceptable kind of stuff. Things about a string value. This is a dollar str1 is a string value. So you want to know str1 dot length clone compare to contains copy to ends with equals get enumerator get hashtag code get it get type code index of insert is normalized plus remove. So we can convert it is to boolean, bytes, character array, to date and time, to decimal, to double. Okay. To integers, okay, to single, to string, to type, to upper. Right? It is upper now. Okay, so this is to upper. There's so many things if you start one by one. Lower. I just there's a lot of options also there. Indexing based options. So one. So you can get like a indexing type 23. Five, 66, 78. After final them. sorry, this is variables, and this is string indexing. I think you understand the concept because we are dealing with Python. We understand like index. We need to see like this. 0 index value is 0, 1, 2, 3. So that's it is showing like this. Of course, this is length. Again, the index value like this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So C, so 0 C, 1 T, 2 S, 3 is a space. So that's a nothing, you are not seeing anything. But it is not nothing, it is just, if you look at here, there is a space. If you see it is a nothing, that's why it is immediately it is showing like this. But here it is a space. That's why there is a gap. Space gap is there. Okay, and L of course. So 9. So 9 don't have anything. So 9 index 9 is not there. So obviously, okay. Once again, look at guys. To a variable, so you have to use symbol like this. Okay, value. Okay, underscores are acceptable. Starting with a number is also acceptable. Starting with the underscore is also acceptable. Hyphens are not acceptable, kind of stuff. Okay, and of course there is few more things you can able to try. Okay, and also multiple values we can assign to single variable. And there is a indexing concept is also there. I'm not trying to go depth of PowerShell part, so we can see, and how to take the input from the host also I showed. We can delete the values also. We can delete the variable. So clear variables is there. So you can put $A value is 20. Okay, so here variable $A is no value. Okay, and delete the variable also, means the value inside a variable. And also you can make that variable as a read only, but that is little risky. So you can make a variable as a read only also. You can assign some null value type also. Okay, null. Okay, there is some other scripting type is there. Scope modifier, global, local, script, variables, type of variables. Okay, user created variables, automatic variables, reference variables are there. Okay, so that's a part. Okay, no one is interested. This is a arrays also there, so you can assign array type. So you know that one. So one the name having more values. I use a quotation, let's say that's instead of that dot dot. Okay, next one is hash table is also. So we'll go to the PowerShell operators. So operators are arithmetic operators. PowerShell operators are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operator, logical operator. So we know the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators means mathematical functions, right? Plus, minus, subtractions, kind of stuff like this. Modulus kind of stuff. Assignment operators. We know the equal to kind of stuff. Okay. Okay. Normally, assignment operators are equal to. And we know the I plus plus kind of stuff. In Python, we use plus equal to, minus equal to kind of stuff. It means it operates and it assigns the result value to the things. Okay, so A plus B, it shows a result. But A is equal to A plus B means A plus B value become A values. So that is here it is. Comparison operators. Comparison is always comparing between the values. Just I'm going to comparison. So there is a comparison things. Equality operators, matching operators, containment operators, replacement operators, type and comparison operators. Okay, so these type of operators is subject of comparison operators. Equality operators. So whether it is equal, not equal, greater, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. These are all comes under equality operators. Greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Matching operators. So both are same, not same, like, not like, match, not match, kind of stuff. Yeah, it is given for a is than, less than kind of stuff. This is matching operators. Like, both are similar, not similar, okay, kind of stuff. Okay, so if you want to try, you can also try those things directly. $A is equal to 100. $B is equal to 26. Okay, so this is two variables. So $A plus $B, arithmetic operators plus subtraction, okay, multiplication, division, and percentage. So 22 it is showing. That we have to understand what is 22 and other modules. Yeah, it is not there. Okay, so then we'll go to the paint. So why I got a 22? So it is a 26 dividing 100. Normally 25 is easy, at least 24 is easy. Now it is 26. 326. Because 4 is crossing 100. Okay, so 326. 3 6 are people are sleeping. 78. So subtraction 2, it is 22. So it's a 3. What is the what is how I got this is percentage 100 percentage 22. Okay, so I got like this. Why? Because it's a 100 percentage 26. I got a reminder. Okay. Arithmetic operators plus, minus, subtraction, division, and modulus percentage. Yeah, this double is not there. Okay. Oh, why? Sorry. No. Get history. Arithmetic operators examples. A value, p value, and these values. Assignment operators. We'll see that assignment operators. So $A, sorry, $A is 100. $A. So because of its equivalent, so I put a $A plus 20. Okay, it's showing 120, but $A value is not changing. $A plus equal to 20. Now $A become 120. The value is got changed. So this is called a assignment operators. You know this one. Just try to recollect from Python kind of stuff. So normally by adding a value to your variable, the original value is variable value is not changing. But when you are doing like this, so when you are assigning like this, the variable value is also changing. Same goes for remaining things. So $A minus 40, it is 80. So if you give to give like this, the $a value is become sorry, $a value is 120. I've done mistake. I assigned a minus 40 value. Okay, minus equal to 40. So now the $a value become 80 rupees. Sorry, 80. 80. Okay, minus. Okay, next multiplication 2. So $a become 160. Division equal to 8. So maybe 4. Now what happened? 160 by 4. So A's value become that one 40. Okay. So this is from here I am changing. Here I assigned a minus value. You can assign a minus value also. So this is called a assignment operators. Any programming or a scripting you are learning, so compulsory how to assign a variables. Second one is operators are very important. So the first two operators are so likely completed. Next one is comparison operators. In comparison, there is a lot of comparison. Equality operators also there. We try equality operators. So what is the value of $a is 40. So $b is 26. So we'll try with this one. $a is equal to $b. False. It is not equal. Is not equal to $b. Yes, true. Is greater than $b. True. Is less than $b. True. Is greater than or equal to b. False. Less than or equal to false. Okay. And direct thing is a is greater than 50. False. Is greater than 30. True. Is equal to 40. True. Okay. So this is the comparisons. The equality comparisons. Okay. Just we want sides output only. Guys, understand comparisons. We don't use greater than symbol, less than symbol here. We use NQ means equal, NE means not equal, GE greater than or equal, GT greater than, LE less than or equal, LT less than. Okay, like this. So it will give you a Boolean output, false or true kind of stuff. So this is parts of equality operators under comparisons. So under comparisons, we have a matching operator, like, not like, match, not match kind of stuff. We'll try that one also. I can like $b false, like 40 true. $a GetType I can like $B GetType true. Why? Both are integers. Both are integers. $A matches $B false, not matching. Matching. Okay, so also you can see a not match kind of stuff. Not match. Okay. $str1 true. Right? True. So this is matching kind of stuff. Okay, so H1 having multiple values. So $H1 match 45, 66, 77. It's not displaying. Okay, not displaying. Match. Like 23, 55, not match. So this is a matching one. Okay, so this is H1 value. The value in the H1 is when you are comparing. So is it matching or not matching? Like or not like? You can able to understand from the output. Okay, if you have a doubt, you can try from here. Containment operators. Is it contain this one like a in or operators are there, no? Like a membership operators type. Okay, so containment operators are like a membership operators type. Is in so when we are using a Python, so we use is not. It's like matching type. Containment means is like a in, not in, contains, not contains kind of stuff. So look at here, we are already in a H1. So I put a $H1. So we have a multiple values. $H1 is 23 in $H1. Why? Why? Hyphen in, yes, this is correct. That's what I'm missing. Hyphen in, not in. So 34 hyphen not in $H1, not in $H1. Okay. Yes. In hyphen in dollar str1 false, if it's a complete sentence, not half sentence. So is it contain? Contain is also there, no? So look at again $H1, okay, is 78 contains $H1. So contains okay. So $H1 contains 78 true. So that's the difference, guys. So the question is correct. Our answer is wrong. But if the question is correct, answer is wrong. So 78 does not contain H1, but H1 contains 78. Okay, so that's the containment operators. So this is the H1 value again. Okay, so I'm trying to find this 23 is in H1, but I have to give hyphen option, but I didn't given, so then it is given some errors. So here I given hyphen in. Not in. This is not in. So 23 in H1. So 34 is not in H1. So it's a single word. It is not working there. Okay. Even like this also it is not working. So when I use full word, then it is showing it is true. Again, contain, not contain kind of stuff. It's a very big one. So where are we? Still we are not completed this small part. Comparisons only not completed. Replacement operators. Next one is replacement operators. Replacement operators. We can replace certain part with other things. Okay. Replacement operators. We use replace. So we can replace operators. So like this you can try. So $H1. Okay, I'm going to replace $H1 okay, replace 45 with 35. Okay, so it is replacement operator. Replace 45 with a 35. Even in a text boxes also we can try. Okay, if you have a text like he given an example, right? So I will take that one is str2. I think is str2 is like Windows and Linux operating system. So I can replace first of all $str2. Okay. $str2 contains Linux word. I'm not there. It's not comma separated, no problem, but still okay. Replace replace Linux with a Mac OS. Yes, it is replaced. Really replaced or not? Or just a filter? It is just a filter part only. Okay, so be careful with that. Even H1 also. 45 is 45, not replaced originally. Just a filter. So just to show. Replacement operator. This is containment. This is matching. How many people are sleeping now? This is anyway equality operators. The last one in this one is a replacement. Okay, type operators. So type operators. So that's the last one. Type comparison operators. Boolean value, true type, false type, is not kind of stuff. Type is not kind of stuff. So obviously when it comes to is not. Still we have a logical operator, redirection, split and joint. Okay. It is so many are there. So $A, so 40. $A is hyphen is $B. So it is not that kind of stuff. $A hyphen is it an integer? True. Is it a string? False. str2 yes. h1 is not a string, it is not an integer. So what is the h1 actually? Showing it is an array. It is a array. So is it array? True. So this is your type operator. Your type operator. What type of data it is, or what type of it is? It's a text file. Okay. Kind of stuff is then. Okay. So this is the in operators. So arithmetic, assignment, comparison operators completed. Still we have a 3 more operators are there. Still we have a 3 more operators are there. Logical operators are a logical based on a logical expressions only, and it returns as a true or false only. So see the logical operators. Again we have a these many operators. Assignment, comparisons, and full of examples. So and are not kind of stuff, but here it is. You have to start with a binary number and do the AND operation between it. Okay, so like this. Yeah, it is showing another true and false kind of stuff. Yeah, that is very easy. Not a direct binary operation. You see the whole here it is $A 40, $B 26. It's a $A is equal to 40. So this is true. Okay, hyphen and $B hyphen not equal to $A. This is also true. Output is true. A small change equal false. Okay, if both are false, okay, both are false, then is less than $B, right? Both are false. If one is false, also false. If both are true, output is true. Okay, so that's the point here. That is first hyphen and. So next one is or. Or is first. So both are true. First one is true or second one is true. Output is true. Okay. And here first one is true, the second one is false. I put R. So it is true. One of the statement is true, automatically it is true. And the last one, first one is false, second one is also false. Output is false. So it is. It's a 430. XOR, NOT gate. Both are there. So we'll see the XOR gate. First one. The first one is true. Second one is true. XOR false. And the first one is false. Second one is also false. XOR false. Okay. Then first one is true. Second one is false. This is true. This is false. XOR. Then it become true. Okay. Same thing. You do reverse. It means first one become false. Second one become true. It is true. Okay. You have to count it that one. What is XOR? So here both inputs both inputs are both inputs are true or a false. It is false. Both input in the either one of the input is true and another output is false, then automatically it is true. So only one, either 0 or either 1 0 or 0 1, not 0 0, not 1 1. That is here in this output. Next one is not. So same thing. The first one is false. Why it is? So how to use? Okay. Like this. True become false. False become true. Okay. True become false. False become true. So instead of that, you can use this exclamatory mark. So same thing only. The false. Instead of that, you can use like this. So this is logical operator. Redirection operator. You know, PowerShell, Linux redirection, same thing. You can redirect output of a PowerShell output to a file. It's a redirection operator. So I'm taking a lot of time on this one. Stream power redirection operators. These are the greater, double greater, greater, and ampersand one. So like you got some output, you want to put it in a file. Okay, so like that you can. Okay. Normally we can say like echo is there, so write host. So this is file 3 file, for example. So this is on the screen, it is showing. You want to redirect, so put a single greater or a double greater. Single greater, it will create a new file, right? So like this, I put a file 3.txt. File is created. It is a file 3 is created. Look at here. Does not contain anything. Why? It's correct. It is a file I created with a greater symbol. I am using like a get-child items. These are the data. So what I'm doing, I put this thing inside this file 3. So now go to that file. See, append to the existing data. So like you can get a date also. So this is the date. You can replace the content with the date with this output. Okay. So what are the data is there? It's got replaced with this simple out kind of stuff. How it is possible? Because of single greater. So you go to time. There is no time. Get a date is there. Get time won't be there. Okay. I put a get days double greater file 3. Now I'm going to see the content of the file. See this. Okay, so this is single greater. Will create a file or a remove the file content, replace the file content with a new data. Output will go to this file. Double greater output is append to the existing file content, that is we know already. Okay, and here it is showing some other kind of stuff. Okay. Get help, you can practice that one. So this is getter &1. Use it to redirect stream to success, stream following things. Something it is write error, hello. So we'll try that one. So file 4 is created or not created? Not created. Then why it is showing? Okay. You see that's error went to this kind of stuff. It is throwing an error. So that error is redirected like this. This is like a error redirection. Okay, error redirection. Okay. Who is unable to join? Rajja. Join. Last one, guys. Split and joins operators in the operators. Okay. This is redirection. This is final one. Split and joins. This is join operator. Okay. Like this. Join operator. Okay. It will be happen like this. We'll see that one. So join kind of stuff. So we'll see $str1. So you can put a hyphen join $str1. Nothing. Nothing is there. Or you can add like a $str1 if I join like this. Okay, the column is not that one, so the column is not that one. It's a different point. Okay, look at here. The point is $str3, nothing is there, so $str3 equal to hello comma class object so then it is hyphen join $str3. Okay, it is displaying like that. Why it is irritating me. It is irritating more. It is like a join the string the delimiter. He joined differently, so that's a different point. This is join the different strings together. Okay, so is assigned to a one variable, like we have a $h1 there now, same thing, join like this. Okay, like this. You want another way, like a h1 hyphen join with a delimiter like this. This is the correct output we got. This is split. So if you are having things in a side by side, you can split it. Okay, this is a split. I think I am going to stop here. So then otherwise you can $h1 is splitting point. So if you have a data arranged in a side by side, so we can able to split kind of stuff. Okay. Like this, no comma, nothing is separated. So 1 second. ISTR1. It is like this, split. Thanks, Anis. This is something written, but that is a originally a split here. Okay, so this is totally your operators and variables. Very big one. So I have taken a lot of very big one to complete, guys. Take a break and be back. I will try to show you if loop, for loop, while loop, and stuff. Okay, I think a lot of people already did. Yeah, people came. Very good. 6 members are there out of 9. So no problem. Because we can't do anything. So we can't wait for others. It is a very big one.